How to create Gamepass in Roblox. Now in order to create Gamepass in Roblox, just simply open your Roblox app and tap to this more button from the bottom right corner. Then after scrolling down a bit in there, you will get to see this option of create. Tap into that, and after tapping in the create, this page will appear where you can see a bunch of options. Now just simply tap to these three bars from the top left corner. Then you will see the option of creations. Tap into creations. After tapping in the creations, you will see all of the games that you have created in Roblox. Just simply select one which you have created. If you don't have one, you need to create a game first. Then tap to these three bars again in the same place. Then after going in this place, you need to scroll down in the same page without changing anything, and you will see passes under monetization. Tap to passes. Now after going in this page, it is very easy. You just simply need to tap into this create a pass button. Tap in there, and then you can easily change the profile or the image for your pass, and you can name your pass. Then you can add a description for your game pass. Then tap to create pass. After doing all this, and a game pass will very easily be created in Roblox. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.